Every year, millions of patients receive the wrong diagnosis. But now, AI is catching those deadly mistakes before it's too late. Imagine a world where a simple scan can reveal cancer months before symptoms appear, or where a heartbeat pattern predicts a heart attack weeks in advance. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, in hospitals and labs across the globe. Artificial intelligence is stepping in where even the most experienced doctors can miss subtle signs. And the results? Earlier detection, faster treatment, and lives saved. In this video, you'll see how AI is not replacing doctors, but empowering them to see what was once invisible. Misdiagnosis affects up to 12 million people in the US alone every year. That's 1 in every 10 patients. Conditions like cancer, heart disease, and neurological disorders are often missed in early stages. Not because doctors aren't skilled, but because human eyes can overlook tiny, critical details. Now, AI systems trained on millions of medical images and patient records are detecting patterns too subtle for the human brain. These tools don't get tired, they don't rush, and they don't skip steps. They analyze data with superhuman precision. From retinal scans that reveal Alzheimer's risk to lung scans that flag early tumors, AI is becoming a silent guardian in modern medicine. And the best part? It works alongside doctors, enhancing their expertise. This isn't about machines taking over. It's about technology giving us a second set of eyes. Let's dive into how AI is already changing diagnosis as we know it. One of the most powerful uses of AI in medicine is in radiology. Take lung cancer, for example. Early detection can increase survival rates by over 50%, but small nodules on CT scans are easy to miss. In 2023, a study at Stanford showed that an AI model outperformed 17 radiologists in identifying early-stage lung cancer. The system spotted tumors as small as 2 millimeters, the size of a grain of sand. Another breakthrough comes from Google Health's AI for breast cancer screening. In trials across the UK and US, the AI reduced false negatives by 9.4% and false positives by 5.7%. That means fewer missed cancers and fewer unnecessary biopsies. And it's not just lungs and breasts. AI is now detecting pancreatic cancer from routine CT scans up to a year before diagnosis. By analyzing subtle changes in tissue density and blood flow, these systems act like early warning radars, giving patients time to act before it's too late. Beyond imaging, AI is transforming how we diagnose neurological conditions. Consider strokes. Every minute counts. Yet, up to 20% of stroke patients are initially misdiagnosed. Enter Viz.ai, an AI platform that analyzes brain scans in real time and alerts specialists the moment a clot is detected. Hospitals using this system have cut treatment time by 52%, drastically improving recovery chances. But perhaps even more surprising is AI's ability to predict diseases before symptoms appear. Researchers at MIT developed a model that uses speech patterns to identify early signs of Alzheimer's with 85% accuracy, years before traditional diagnosis. The AI listens for subtle pauses, word repetition, and sentence complexity. Similarly, AI tools are analyzing eye scans to detect Parkinson's and multiple sclerosis. The retina, it turns out, is a window to the brain. These tools don't replace neurologists. They help them act faster and with greater confidence. AI is also making waves in rare disease diagnosis. For patients with conditions like Wilson's disease or Fabry disease, the road to diagnosis can take years, an average of 4.8 years, to be exact. Many see over 7 doctors before getting answers. But now, tools like fDNA's Face2 gene are changing that. By analyzing facial features from a simple photo, the AI can suggest rare genetic disorders with remarkable accuracy. How? Many genetic conditions alter facial structure in subtle, consistent ways, things like wide-set eyes, a broad nose, or a small chin. The AI compares thousands of data points to known patterns. In one case, a child in Argentina was correctly diagnosed with a rare metabolic disorder in minutes, not months. This tech is especially vital in regions with limited access to genetic specialists. It's not perfect, but it's a powerful first clue that can fast-track testing and treatment, giving families answers they've been searching for years. Perhaps one of the most exciting frontiers is AI predicting disease before any signs exist. At the Mayo Clinic, researchers trained an AI on electrocardiogram data, the same ECGs done in routine checkups. The model learned to detect silent signs of low ejection fraction, a heart condition that often leads to sudden failure. Remarkably, it could predict this issue up to a year in advance, even when the heart looked normal to doctors. Now, imagine applying this to other areas. AI analyzing blood tests for early cancer markers, monitoring wearable data to predict diabetes onset. It's already happening. Startups like Owkin and PathAI are building models that combine genomics, lifestyle data, and medical history to forecast risk. These aren't crystal balls. They're risk assessment tools that empower preventive care. Instead of waiting for illness, we're moving toward a future where medicine is proactive, personalized, and predictive. So what does this mean for the future of healthcare? First, AI isn't replacing doctors. It's giving them superpowers. Think of it like GPS for medicine, a tool that guides, warns, and confirms. Second, this technology is leveling the playing field. In rural clinics or developing nations, AI can bring expert-level analysis to places with few specialists. Third, we're shifting from reactive to preventive care. Catching disease early doesn't just save lives. It reduces costs and suffering. But challenges remain. Data privacy, algorithm bias, and regulatory approval are real concerns. That's why human oversight is crucial. The goal isn't autonomous diagnosis, it's augmented intelligence. And as these systems improve, they'll become as common as stethoscopes. The future of medicine isn't man or machine. It's man and machine working together to see the unseen. If you're fascinated by how AI is transforming healthcare, hit that like button and subscribe for more stories of technology changing lives. Share this video with someone who cares about the future of medicine, because awareness drives progress. And if you have a moment, drop a comment. What medical breakthrough would you like to see next? Your voice helps shape what we cover. Thanks for watching, and stay curious. AI is no longer just a tool of the future. It's saving lives today. From spotting hidden tumors to predicting heart failure, it's helping doctors do what they do best, heal. As these technologies grow, one thing is clear. The future of diagnosis is smarter, faster, and more precise. And it's just getting started.